Hello, Koen Verbeek here, and welcome to the presentation for my assignment for the module Wireless Personal Area Networks, more specific Bluetooth. So we got an assignment that we needed to control some actuators, could be an LED or a relay or something else that is connected to the Raspberry Pi GPIO pins. And we need to control those using, for example, an Android application or using an ESP32 controller. I've chosen to control an RGB LED using an Android application, so using Bluetooth. So for that I installed the BlueDot app. So let me show that. So here you can see already the MAC address of my Raspberry Pi, and I will connect to it, and then I can control the RGB LEDs from here. But first of all, we need to connect. You can see here I'm already connected to my Raspberry Pi, and I need to run the Python script. So here you can see that everything that is present in the BlueDot app is also configured in the Python script. So all the buttons, all the circles, and everything that it needs to do is configured here in that script. So let me run this. And here you can see that the server has started with a MAC address and it's waiting for a connection. So let's now make that connection. And voila. So if the circles and the squares appear, then you know that you have good connection to the Raspberry Pi. So now let me demonstrate what it does. It's actually multicolor. You can choose what color is displayed by the RGB LED. Just pressing one of the colors, for example. I don't know if it's very clear to see, but yeah, voila. It's more clear like that. So for example, blue, magenta, yellow, orange, blue, green, red, white. And you also have an on button, and that's white light, full brightness, and an off button. So the other ones you can also, the nice thing about this is when choosing a color, for example red, you can also change the brightness by sliding. And you can do this for every color. For example, orange, yellow, magenta, cyan. So that's very nice. And also when I'm sliding, you can see what happens. You can see here the red brightness slider is being swept. And for example, if I press the off button here, then you can see off button is pressed, on button is pressed, and so on. So thank you for your attention, and see you on the next project.